Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding pressure changes due to altitude changes. Example, an aeroplane is flying at an altitude of 6,000 meters. Calculate the pressure around the aeroplane given the lapse rate in the atmosphere as 0.0065 degree Kelvin per meter. Neglect variation of G with altitude. Take pressure and temperature at ground level is 10.143 Newton per centimeter square and 15 degree Celsius. Temperature is 15 degree Celsius and density of air is 1.285 kg per meter cube. Now the altitude, height or altitude z equal 6,000 meter. Now lapse rate L equal dt by dz, which is equal minus 0.0065 degree Kelvin per meter. Pressure at ground level is 10.143 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. That is P0. Next is T0 is 15 degree Celsius, which is equal to 73 plus 15 is 288 degree Kelvin. Rho density of air at sea level, ground level is 1.285 kg per meter cube. Now temperature at 6,000 meter height is T0 plus dt by dz into height, which is equal to 88 plus minus 0.0065 into height is 6,000, which we calculate here to 88 minus 0.0065 into 6,000 is 39, which is equal to 88 minus 39 equal to 49. 249 degree Kelvin, which means 249 minus 273 equal minus 24 degrees Celsius here, which is equal minus 24 degree Celsius. Next is Now pressure changes we'll find. Pressure changes. In that we'll find first the value of K. Value of K you are finding. In that here lapse rate L equal dt by dz equal minus g over r is k minus 1 over k. That is minus 0.0065 equals minus 9.8 over here r we will find separate gas constant, that is P0 rho 0 into T0, which is equal P0 is 10 10 14 10 10 14 13 10 14 30 over rho is 1.285 into 288, which is equal to 0.08. So we will use this R here, that is 274.08 K minus 1 over K. Here both side minus cancel, so K minus 1 over K equal 0.00065 into 274.08 over 9.8. So we have let us write this one 0.0065 into 274.08 over 9.81. This equal 0.1816. Now we'll write K equal 0.1816 K K minus 1 equal, therefore K 1 minus 0.1816 equal to 1, which gives K equal 1 over 1 minus 0.1816. So K equal, we'll calculate 1 divide 1 minus 0.1816 equal 1.222 approximate. Now K value we got. After that, therefore equation of pressure P equal P0 1 minus K minus 1 over K G Z rho 0 by P0 power K minus K over K minus 1. Now we'll write equal P0 is 101430 1 minus, here K is 1.222 minus 1 over 1.2 to 9.81, Z is 6000, row 0 is 1 point, density is 1.285 over 1.810 1430 power 1.22 over 1.222 minus 1. So we have equal 1.101430 1 minus this. This complete calculation is 0.1807 power. This by calculation we have 5.504. So we have 101430 0.86. Here we'll do that 1 minus 1807 1 minus 0.1807 equal 0.8193 power 5.504. Let us calculate this. 0.8193 power 5.504 equal 1430 into 0.339, then which is equal 10, 14, 30 multiplied 0.3339 equal 33,867 477 Newton per meter square, which can be written in Newton per centimeter square is 3.3867 Newton per centimeter square. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.